Hey coffee and tea lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a drink that perfectly blends calm and energy in one gorgeous cup, the Matcha Espresso Fusion, also known as the Dirty Matcha. This drink combines earthy, smooth matcha with bold, rich espresso for a layered flavor that's both refreshing and powerful. If you love matcha, coffee, or just trying trendy cafe-style drinks at home, this one is a must-try. Let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 1 teaspoon high-quality matcha powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons hot water, not boiling, 1/2 to 3/4 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 to 2 shots of fresh espresso, 1 to 2 teaspoons sweetener, honey, vanilla syrup, or simple syrup, optional, ice. For iced version. Directions. Step 1. Prepare the matcha start by adding 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into a small bowl. Pour in your hot water. Make sure it's around 160 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling, so you don't burn the matcha. Use a bamboo whisk or a small hand frother to whisk until the matcha becomes smooth and lightly frothy with no clumps. This creates that vibrant green base. Step 2. Sweeten the matcha. Optional. If you like your drinks a little sweet, stir in honey, vanilla syrup, or your favorite sweetener directly into the whisked matcha. This helps balance the earthy flavor. Step 3. Add milk. Fill a glass with ice if you're making an iced version. Pour your milk over the ice, then slowly pour the matcha mixture on top. You'll start to see beautiful layers forming, bright green floating over creamy white. Step 4. Pull the espresso. Now brew 1 to 2 fresh shots of espresso. This is where the dirty part comes in. Slowly pour the hot espresso over the matcha and milk mixture. Watch as the dark espresso swirls through the green. It's cafe magic, right in your kitchen. Step 5. Stir and enjoy. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything. 1 sip gives you smooth, grassy matcha, creamy milk, and that bold espresso kick all at once. It's balanced, energizing, and incredibly satisfying. And that's it. Your homemade Matcha Espresso Fusion is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more cafe-style drinks, and comment below letting me know if you prefer matcha coffee or both. See you in the next video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3coffee lover.